Greetings, beloved souls of Gaia Matrix. This is I, Blue Crystalline Pheonix, Sachathor. I send out much love, healing, light, and radiancy today. It is a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. Yep, this is Pinellas Park. Very beautiful. There are horses here, so I'd really thoroughly enjoy coming here a lot because of the horses. They're beautiful creatures, very smart and intelligent, dearest beloved ones, yes. My aura and my spirit resonates deeply with Pegasus, dearest beloved ones. Yes, they are spiritual horses. I have a spirit guide, Pegasus, as it is, dearest beloveds. I do strongly urge all beings and souls of this matrix to please go out in Gaia to spend time with nature, show your love for it. There are times that I myself hug the trees and thank them for their radiancy and their love and their light and the light they give upon this grid, dearest beloved ones. Because all is love, and we all know this. Resonate that. And dearest beloved ones, I always resonate with these. They're palm trees. They are very, very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful plants. Yes, they resonate well with I. One of the reasons why I am here in Florida. I strongly urge all, dearest beloved ones as well, to please, when you do go out and spend time with nature, Gaia, put some meditation music out. If you're by an ocean, put something that will resonate with the ocean. If you're by trees, put something that will resonate with the trees. Wherever you are, in the mountains, wherever. Whatever will resonate with that, dearest beloved ones. I strongly urge to put that type of meditation music out. I will send some frequency music later on, post it up on the Facebook, dearest beloved ones. Because knowing the time now, and it is getting closer and closer to the matrix to soon be from 3D to 5D, dearest beloved ones. We must all resonate deep within our cores and resonate and also bring forth out our core beings to light source grid. We are all love and light. We resonate this love and light. We are above. Even the sun, if you think about it, dearest beloved ones, we resonate with light frequencies so strong and so bright that it's brighter even than the sun. And with that, we shine our love upon all and show the love upon all, dearest beloved ones, because we are the light. We have our Christ conscious codes within us. We all know this very well. So remember, dearest beloved ones, that you resonate that Christ conscious. Open it up in your mind cortex, dearest beloved ones. Open up all of it. And be one in light with the light. And show your love for all creatures too, dearest beloved ones, because they are innocent. They are love. They are love themselves. They show innocency. And you can as well. Just be love and light and dwell within it and show that innocence in yourself. We are all love and light. I am vegan. I am one with Gaia. My love is for Gaia. My love is for all humanity, dearest beloved ones. Not a single aspect of my soul is nothing less. And you could be the same. Show and resonate that love too. Because we shine bright. So go forth, shine bright, and know who you are. And if any are in any type of pain, dearest beloved ones, even you can be above that and heal yourselves with Gaia. Align yourselves with Gaia. Bring down your core being. Send down your root chakra to Mother Gaia Earth and be one with her and ask her to heal you and be one with her and heal her as well. And show that healing and love frequencies for all, dearest beloved ones, because Gaia is here too for you as well. She is the light earth. The light earth that is to come even forth as a new Gaia matrix is already aligning into this old one. So embrace that and show her that you love her and care. And dearest beloved ones, know that love yourselves as well. Love yourselves before you can love others. Show true love for yourself. Know that you are love. You're not alone. Nobody is. Know that we are loved, all of us radiant beings of light. Dearest beloved ones, and so it is. Smile, embrace the happiness. Let it flow through your core. Let it embrace you and wrap you in light of gold and white and blue. And so it is, dearest beloved ones, because we are that. Have a wonderful, radiant, beautiful day, and may my light wrap around this world and core with blue radiancy and protection and love for all humanity. And so it is. Dearest beloved ones, you are loved. Namaste.